Take care of your skin. Your skin is the first thing that people are going to notice about you. This is why you want to make sure that you're caring for it properly. Most people, celebrities included, get zits and imperfections in their skin. Instead of stressing about that one pimple, try to work on your overall skin health. Using a simple, basic face wash each day will help to remove unwanted oils and dirt, without completely stripping away the good oils. Wash your face in the morning when you get up and again before you go to bed. Enhance your features with make-up. Make-up isn't necessarily for everyone, but it can be a great way to make yourself feel good and attractive. You can use make-up to highlight different aspects of your face. This is where make-up can be really handy. If you're having a bad skin day, you can cover up those zits and use make-up to highlight your eyes. If you have really beautiful eyes, and you do, you could bring out the colors in them using eyeshadow. Avoid choosing an eyeshadow that exactly matches your eye color, as this looks too monochromatic. Use the natural make-up look. This look is about preserving the natural look of your face while sculpting it to meet your hotness needs. It enhances your looks, especially your eyes, without getting too exciting or obvious. Add definition to your eyes by applying eyeliner, in a subtle and natural shade like brown. Brush on a little eyeshadow in champagne or light brown. A little bit of mascara opens up your lashes and makes them look longer. Make sure that you get a mascara that works for you because some can get really clumpy and goopy, which you don't want. Try out the smoky eye look. Smoky eye is always in, and it can be dressed up or down. It draws attention to your eyes, enhancing the color in them. Prime your eyelid with an eyeshadow base so that the darker eyeshadow colors don't run. Sweep a nude eyeshadow over the entire eyelid. From base to the brow of your eyelid, apply a shimmering eyeshadow. Line your top and bottom lash line with dark eyeliner. With a Q-tip, smudge the liner. Sweep a darker eyeshadow over the entire eyelid and into the crease. Blend the color upward and outward. Clean your hair appropriately. No matter what style you put it in, healthy hair is always the most attractive hair. Wash your hair as often as it needs washing. For all hair types, however, you want to make sure that you're only washing your scalp. Washing the ends can dry them out. Hair that is fine needs to be washed between once a day to once every 3 days, depending on what you've found works best for you. Now, there's some speculation that shampooing every day can actually cause your hair to dry out more quickly and therefore to start producing more oil.